Hey guys, good day. Welcome back again to today's video. In this video, I am going to be treating my hair for hair growth. It's deep condition that we are making today, okay, for hair growth. So I'm having one banana here. So while the other one is a jojoba oil, so it helps a lot in terms of hair growth. I have a native olive oil, so you can use normal one, okay. So I also have castor oil, so I'm going to be making use of castor oil too. I hope you guys are seeing it well because I don't want some question in comment section. So the next one is honey, okay. So I know everybody know honey, so I'm going to be working with honey too. So if coconut oil is good on your hair, so you're also free to use coconut oil, okay, because I don't normally use coconut oil because it breaks my hair, okay. It's not good on my hair at all. If you have a very ripe banana, so it's good to use, okay. So you can also still use a very ripe banana. That one self is even better. All right, so I'll be adding my olive oil to blend, okay, because we don't need to add water, okay. We are replacing water with olive oil. So that's it. So I'm going to be blending it. Don't have this silver, so you can use a very clean stockings to filter it, okay, because sometimes banana also has this blah blah stuff, those chaff inside, okay. So to remove it, if not, if you just apply it like this, so everything is going to be on your hair, okay. After washing your hair, you'll be seeing those white stuff, so we don't need that. So that's why I normally do mine like this, okay. If you don't have the silver, so I will prefer you use a very clean cloth. This is how I do mine. So there is one comment that I got. The lady say her child hair is not growing. She have tried a lot of products. You know, she have been buying a lot of products. Still, the hair refused to grow. Madam, in case you come across to this video, so I think we try those things. When you see that it didn't work on your child hair, so you have to switch to organic. You have to be making them yourself, okay. You can make them yourself, okay. I use organics natural product to grow my hair and my children hair, okay. So I don't buy a lot. So if you see me buy product, I will even show you guys some product today, okay. The product that I'm using on my children hair. Or this is the banana that I just blend. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to be adding in is honey. Whatever you are using, you have to make sure that it's very clean. They are all clean, okay. So I just had a teaspoon of honey, okay. This one says even bigger than teaspoon. Tablespoon, okay, 1 tablespoon of honey. The next one that I'm going to be adding in is jojoba oil, okay. Are you seeing it? So 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, or 1.5 tablespoon, because this point is very big. So the next one that I'm going to be adding in is castor oil. I hope you guys are seeing it well, okay. So I'll be making use of 2 spoons